Picking the right calendar size can be tricky, right? It's not just about looking good, it's about helping your brand pop and make sure your customers stay organized. Sounds slow? Don't worry, I'm here to make it easy. Whether you need a big wall calendar that grabs attention, small desk calendar for tight specs, or teeny pocket-sized planner that your customers can carry everywhere. We offer US size like the 11-inch plus 8.5 inches and international one like A4. Plus, we use eco-friendly material and follow top certification standards. So your brand looks great and feel good too. Want to make a big impression? Go for a poster calendar, or maybe something small like a pocket calendar. Whatever you choose, we will help you get it right. Ready to get started? Let's talk. Shoot me an email or check out our website. We will help you pick the perfect calendar for your brand.